And then just a little. Sorry about the wind, but today we're going to try and get the reels working because we had some problems with our last fishing video. You can probably watch right here somewhere, wherever my finger's going. And we're going to put some Dextron 3 oil in it because I don't have any other type of oil, and hopefully that will work. And hopefully we can get these fishing rods going again, get out there. Probably not today. It's looking a bit over cloudy, but anyway, let's see. Might even be able to teach my boy how to put it back together. Let's find out. Hopefully he gets excited and wants to put it back together. Anyway, I'll see you in a second. Hi all, so I've got some Dextron 3 here, and I'm just going to try. I've got a bit of stiffness going on here. I can't move my thing because it's all rusty and being left out. So normally you can just hear this clicking and you feel like it's not undoing. But it should undo. All you do is put pressure there to push it out. So push that way. And just keep turning. It should slowly come off. There we go. And now we're off. So we'll sit those all in a line. So we got that. And we get this cog and this little plastic washer there. So put that down. And then normally you'll get a screw in there to hold this nut, but obviously I've undone this before, so the screw's gone. But if you get that, just undo that first, and then undo this nut, pull that off, sit it down. So we're up to this bit, just remove that nut, and then you just want to pull this one off, and then you'll see this little mechanism here. So I'll take him off. And then you'll have all these rusty ball bearings and stuff. Hopefully you can see them. And what you want to do is get your oil or any type of synthetic oil. I don't really have any specs on what you should be using, or if you should be using grease, but this will do me. And then just a little. There it is. And then just give it a wind up. First it'll be tight and hard, like this that way. And you can see all that oil has gone inside all those bearings and loosened it all up, which is quite handy. Andy says we're going to buy another $30 fishing rod for this year. 5 fishes or something. Just a few more drips like that in there. Let it work its way in. Sorry, I can't tip it all. Look at that. Yeah. It's looking good. It's looking good. All I want to say is how good it looks. Happy. Maybe one. Yeah. 5 minutes, 10 minutes. Yeah. You can put all this back together if you think you can work it out. I'll show you, obviously. Let's see if a 5-year-old can put a fishing reel back. 10-year-old. Yeah, so out of all the views that we're getting, only 5% of you are actually subscribed. So, and I don't ask very often. I normally just put a little thing up here to say like and subscribe, but it really helps the channel if you'd subscribe, people. We've got about 40. We want to get up to our 1,000 or at least 100 so we can do some live shots from our phones. So if we can get to 100 subscribers, that'd be awesome. Here's another one I did for the girls, but I've left a bit of oil on it, so maybe just get all the oil off of it for them so it's not slippery and gross feeling. Because I spilt a bit too much oil everywhere. Here's my cylinders, not yours. No.
I got an explosion, guys.
I heard that.
Tomorrow.
That's cool.
I'm going on And we're the only school that's on the other side of the river, and we're going
to the Botanical Gardens.
To the Botanical Gardens, Tasmania.
Alrighty. So I think first off is we get this piece, and that goes on there.
What piece? This piece?
Yep. We'll get rid of all this oil.
And that goes on here?
Yep. Up that way. Yep.
All the way down?
Yep. Or as far as it'll go. Yep. And then the big black piece. Well done. Doing well. Doing well. We're getting there. Now you got to twist it around so that it lines up and drops down. Pick it up with 2 hands.
Can I sit like right there?
Which one?
That?
Yeah. And now, yep. Now the nut. Sorry about those silly motorbikes. Now you got to screw it on. Now because it's a funny backwards threaded thing.
I can't like.
I'll go. Oh, it's hard to do with one hand. Yeah, see, it's backwards. The thread is backwards. You're going to go this way to tighten. And we are on. It's still rotating. Oh, careful.
I don't know, a minute.
No, I stopped. Well, that robot was going past. Now I've done it. Something.
Not in the frame.
There we go.
No, it's in the frame.
Nothing loose. And then this one on top.
Is this on your thing?
Yeah. And then we screw this back in and hold it all down.
And that
This is how you fix the reel when it goes rusty.
Yeah.
Don't know how long it'll last. We'll find out, I suppose. Oh, there we go. It's a bit tough, but we're going fishing. It's better than nothing. Thanks for watching, guys. We'll be back with you when we get to the fishing spot.
Bye.
And then you just want to get your plastic washer first because you don't want metal on metal. That's how I remember it. So that's why the plastic one goes down first, and then the metal one only goes as far as it wants to go anyway, by the looks of it. And this one back on. Make sure there's no fishing line caught up in it. And then we just hold it down and screw it back on. Oh, thanks for watching, guys. Hopefully you've learnt something. But we are going fishing.
Bye.